स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, once again welcome you all in today's video. So guys, today we'll talk about the LSAT 2021. If you are a law aspirant and if you wanna make your career in the field of law, then friends, there are various exams with respect to the legal studies. You're already aware about that. The MH Law CET is there, DU LLB is there, the CLAT is there, the SLAT, ILAT, IPO CAT, and various exams are there, and even a lot of institute conducts their own exams. But the exam known globally, that is nothing but the LSAT, which is conducted by LSAC, that is Law School Admission Council of USA. So guys, if you really want to make your career immense, then guys, you should prepare for the exams through which you can enter into some of the eminent law colleges in India, such as the Jindal Global Law School, Sonipat, the Asian Law School, the JIS University, Kolkata, the Shobhit University, Meerut, and Alliance School of Law, Bangalore. And there are many more colleges who accept the LSAT score. So guys, with respect to the LSAT, you can pursue the 5 years program, that is the PLLP, BBLLP. You can pursue your 3 years program, that is the LLP, or even you can pursue your masters in legal studies. So guys, stay tuned to get the details about the LSAT 2021. So very first one, our new YouTube channel launch at Manwar Law Entrance, which is very specific to the law entrance exams such as the MH Law CET, CLAT, DU LLB, BHU Law, SLAT, LSAT, ILAT, and others. So guys, link for this new YouTube channel I already mentioned in the description. Just click on that link and subscribe the channel to get the regular updates with respect to the law entrance exams. And guys, please post your doubts in the comment box. What type of video you wanna? Okay, what are your doubts? Which type of video we should make? So I will get these great opportunities to make the videos on your preferences. So guys, to get the best coaching for all law entrance preparations, call our board line number 8828581455. So let's come to our main point, the LSAT India. That is nothing but the law school admission test, which is conducted by LSAC, and which is nothing but the Law School Admission Council USA, the LSAC's affiliate in India. So the LSAT India comes into the existence in 2009. And since then it is very well known in India. If you wanna enter into some of the top universities or the law schools, although it is already at that dominant level in USA, Canada, and Australia, but now in India each year more than 40,000 applicants write this exam to enter into their dream colleges. So how the LSAT test is? So the test is conducted in such a way that it can judge your critical reasoning ability. So it includes mostly 3 sections. The very first one, the analytical reasoning, the 23 questions from it, and the time duration here is 35 minutes. So there is a sectional wise time limit. Okay, once you will cover all these 35 minutes, then you can move to your next section. There are 2 subsections in the logical reasoning, 1 and 2. 22 questions from first one, 35 minutes, 23 questions from second one, 35 minutes, and the third section, that is nothing but the reading comprehension. So 24 questions out of it, and that is also for 35 minutes. So overall you will get around 92 questions, and the time duration for it has 2 hours and 20 minutes. So previously the mode of exam was the offline, but friends, now this test will be conducted in online mode, or you can also say that computer based test. So friends, these all are the exam schedules. Okay, exam activity I listed here. The application form in online mode already started 10th of November 2020. Okay, the last date to submit the application form is 20th April 2021. So guys, if you are preparing for any of the law entrance exam, then guys, give yourself a chance to crack this exam also. If you really want to make your career in legal sector, then guys, please try for this exam. Because not only you will pursue your graduation or masters or even the doctoral programs, but guys, you will pursue it through the top institutes which are known globally. So guys, think about the placement packages and think about the future ahead. So guys, the exam will be conducted on the 10th May 2021. Keep all these dates in your mind and start your strategies accordingly. Okay, plan all your strategies, prepare your roadmap, and only one thing we needed, that is nothing but the practice, and the practice. Now if you needed the proper resources or materials to crack the LSAT 2021, then friends, make sure that your resources should be the 100% compatible with respect to the LSAT. So guys, for the preparation, come at manwaredu.com, then come to the buy online section. Now click on the law entrance. So these all are the respective programs, the full course, the book, study materials, mock test, very important guys, mock test, because only the mock test will tell you how your preparations are going on which particular stage you are. And if you are lacking in any particular section, then you can join the section wise courses also. So just click on the full course. So these all are the respective programs. Okay, scroll down. Now here it is the LSAT 2021 turbo program. In this you will get the video lectures. So 71 video lectures are there and 17 handouts for the practice purpose, and which is 100% compatible with all this syllabus. So click on the section, and these all are the subtopics. So friends, just add to cart and boost your preparations with respect to the LSAT 2021. And if you want to interact live with us, then call us on 8828581455, or you can visit at manualedu.com/law-entrance. This link I also mentioned in the description, so kindly check the description. So guys, this is all from the today's video. If you have any doubts and query, please ask me in the comment box. Okay, and what type of videos you want, just tell me in the comment box. I will try to make the video on the same and will try to clear all your doubts. So thank you very much. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.